TradeTradingVideos.com. You're here with Breakout Trader. What I want to take a look at is this morning, the action we had this morning and what I was watching and how I avoided the run and buying into that as many traders did. Let's go to the Dow here on the 5-minute chart. We've got the big move up this morning on the Dow Jones, and then we get the pullback here. We try and come back up to break through. Cannot. This is that double top. So this is a first indication of weakness. Now, as all this was taking place, my plan was today, if we could open strong, and if I had the market internals being strong, I was going to trade the NDX and throw a trade on Google, RIM, Apple, Baidu, get in some of the big tech names. But this is what I saw. The bank index, breakout's favorite. Check this out. We had the gap open, and as soon as we open, we just start to fail and fall apart. So remember, the Dow's up 100 plus points, the S&P's up 10 plus points, Nasdaq's up 20 plus points, and the financials are failing. That is why this bank sector or index is critical. If you're watching this, you'd never go along the market this morning, as many traders did. So we had the banks failing. What happens next? Well, if we go back to the Dow here, check it out. Okay, it comes up. We break below the double bottom there. Break down. We come back up. Here's that kiss of death. And just fall apart. Market went from up 100 points down 130. That's a big move to the downside. Now check this out, guys. Market pops right here. What gives us the first indication? Let's go back to the banks. There's 3 o'clock. So the Dow moves up a little prior to the bank, but the bank really gets a big breakout here. Now this is the next thing I watch on market internals. This will show us something here. This is the net volume of the New York Stock Exchange. So if we take the buying volume of the advances minus the declining volume, the selling volume of the decliners, this is your net volume. Check this out. We were down negative 686 million shares net volume. We go to negative 200 million. So there's 480 million shares net bought on the market. Okay, that's outside influence. That's basically what I call a Fed injection. Fed's got their printing presses running pretty solid right there. This is amazing here. Check out the Nasdaq. Look at this. We had negative 860 million. Negative 860 million. Positive 500 million. Can you believe that? 1.3 billion shares net change hands. That's definitely outside intervention coming to the markets. Where does it all come into? All comes into the banks. Support the financials, you support the market. Another reason why the banks are critical to watch here. Well, that's an insight here to what happened in the market today, an insight to what to look for. We need huge volume on the New York Stock Exchange, we need huge volume on the Nasdaq, we need banks solid, and we can have an up market. Until that takes place, we're going to go down. Thanks for attending FreeTradingVideos.com. You're here at Breakout. Breakout is out.